Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Roma. So in today's video I'm going to show you some eyeliner look, some different kinds of eyeliner look, and I hope you will all love it. And I think we'll all agree that when it's come to a makeup, so our makeup remained incomplete without a proper eyeliner look. So here am I today to show you some different kinds of eyeliner look. So let's check it. Before starting any eyeliner look, just prepare your eyelid with an eye primer or concealer. Here I am using Maybelline concealer. It's just to make sure your eyeliner stay in place without smudging. So in the first look, I'll show you how to make floating eyeliner. Instead of applying liner close to your lash line, the liner traced along the eye crease. That sort of give it a floating above the eye appearance. In the second look, I will show you how to use silver glittered eyeliner. To create this style, just draw the silver eyeliner onto the upper eyelid and create a shaved wing at the outer part of your eye. In the third look, I will show you how to make reversed eyeliner. Using a soft eye pencil, line your lower lash line. Extend the liner beyond the outer corner of your eye in an upward stroke. Then line your waterline to enhance the look. Then take a flat dense makeup brush and smudge the liner, pulling it gently to a tip in the inner and outer corner of the eye. In the fourth look, I will show you how to make eyeliner with layered color. I'm just using this white pencil. To create this style, just draw the colored eyeliner onto the upper eyelid. In the final look, I will show you how to make dotted eyeliner. This is the graphic eyeliner makeup look is perfect for those who want to experiment with the trend without going out. You can just draw 2 to 4 dots under your wing eyeliner depending on the length of your wing. So here you've seen some different kinds of eyeliner look, and I really hope you guys found this beautiful and definitely try this at your home. So don't forget to subscribe this channel and give me a big thumbs up to this video. and I will see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.